welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the winter FabFitFun unboxing, and I've had this for a couple weeks but I haven't been able to open it, and I'm so excited. Actually, I did open it because I actually needed one thing out of it, but I didn't look at it. I just grabbed what I needed and took it out. That one thing was the cutting boards. So it came with like these 5 plastic cutting boards, and I actually needed it because if you haven't seen my latest vlog, me and my boyfriend purchased our first home and we were cooking dinner, and I realized I didn't have any cutting boards, but I remembered that we had it in this box. So it's currently downstairs, but it came with 5 like plastic cutting boards, or one for seafood, like so you don't cut like your veggies and raw meat on the same cutting board. So I already used that, but I haven't looked at anything else inside, so let's go ahead and look. And I did purchase some add-ons, so I will go through those as well. I'll go through the add-ons first, and the first thing I bought was this mask chain holder, and I've just seen this kind of everywhere that people have like chains for their masks, so that way if they do take them off, you don't like set it down or anything. I don't typically go anywhere where I am taking off my masks. I really just leave when I have to go to the grocery store and stuff. I just thought it would be a cute accessory for our masks. So let's see. So it comes with 2. One is, I believe this is called like herringbone, and it just comes with, it comes with 2 clasps. So you just put it on the outside of your mask, and if you need to take it off real quick, you can just set it down and then put it back. I just thought it was a cute accessory. And then it just comes with like a regular gold chain, which would be cute as well. So I just got these 2. Also picked up OPI's Nail Envy nail strengthener. I've used this before and I feel like it worked really well, especially like, I mean, I'm not going to get acrylics right now, but when I would get acrylics and I would take them off, my nails would be a little bit thinner. So I like to just put this on before I do like my own gel manicure, just so that my nails can grow nice and strong. That's all I bought. Those 2 things are the only add-ons that I had this month. So the rest of the items are just going to be what was in my FabFitFun box. This is cute. This month they included a sticker, which I don't think they have before, but that's super cute. This is catching my eye. It's a headband. I can't remember if I picked this or not, but this is a really cute headband for the holidays. I don't know. Headbands? I don't really wear headbands that much. Is that cute? I can't tell. Next we have scrunchies. I love scrunchies. Oh, you get 3. So 3 really cute cheetah print scrunchies, which I love cheetah print. So these are super, super cute. This is really random. A kind thins dark chocolate nuts and sea salt. This is very random, but I do love me some Kind bars. I'm thinking this is just like a sample. Ooh, we got lots of coupons this month. If anybody wants $15 off your first FabFitFun box, here is a coupon code. I'm sure you can only use it once, so if anybody wants it, the first person to use it can get $15 off. Next, we have a Wish Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub. I love me some lip scrubs because my lips are always dry. This one's cute because it comes in a tube. Ooh, this smells so good. This smells like Hawaii in a bottle. It smells so good. It smells like vanilla, and it just, I don't know, reminds me of Hawaii for some reason. Next, we have this one I'm excited about. It's socks. But not just any socks. Look how cute and fluffy, and the bottoms have little things to grip if you have like hardwood floors. I'm super excited because it has been so cold here lately. So this, it's really, you guys, I don't think you realize how, oh my gosh. These are gonna be so warm. Look at the inside. It's super fluffy and really thick. Like, I might get a little bit too warm in these. My arm is so warm right now. Wow. These are really good. Like, I have like fuzzy socks. I have thick socks. This is like a combination of like Uggs and socks. It's like a sug. Scratch that. Really thick. Like, I don't have anything this thick. It's so thick. The brand, if anybody wants these or is curious, the brand is the Original Mukluks. This would be a really good gift. Next! This one I was really excited to see in the box. It's the Addons Complete Eye Renewal Balm Anti-Wrinkle. I used to use this stuff probably like 6 years ago and I loved it. I went through a whole bottle. The texture is just amazing. It's, like I said, it's like a gel and a balm, so it's really cooling. I just really liked it as my under eye cream, so I'm super excited to see this. It also works really well under makeup because it's like a balm. It kind of just like smooths and hydrates underneath. So this is one of the eye creams that I do like using in the morning under concealer, so it doesn't really move around your concealer too much. Love this stuff. Next we have something left in. This is the Phase Zero Making Moves Blusher. If I can get it open. Ooh, packaging looks nice and sleek. Ooh, this looks like a blush that I would like. I love peachy tone blushes. This one looks really pretty. Has a little bit of a shine to it. It doesn't have any glitter in it, but it does have like a little shine. But this is really pretty. And the last thing I'm very excited about as well, this winter box was kind of all about like holiday comfy, which especially right now with everything going on, and especially where I live, we are now back in shelter in place until next year, which sounds crazy. I mean, it's a month from now, but we're in shelter in place until next year. So I'm really upping my comfy game. Your girl has not dressed up in like 9 months. This is a robe. It has a hood. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's really soft. It's a shorter robe, so let's see. I'm wearing shorts underneath this, but it goes to about my knee. Really good. Oops. This is a really nice robe for after the shower. I love robes. The current one that I have is a little bit too puffy. It's really puffy and it goes all the way to like my ankles, so it's really like a big blanket. So this one will be perfect for like after a shower, because right now with winter it'll keep you warm, you know, while you put your lotions and stuff on. So really excited for this robe. It's really soft. The brand is Summer and Rose. Stay extra warm and cozy. I'm super excited for this. It came just in time and it's perfect neutral color. really excited for this month's box. Overall, if you guys have never tried FABFITFUN, I really like it because you get a mix of makeup, body care, lifestyle. So it's an overall subscription box, which I really like, and you get full-size products, and they are seasonal, so you get 4 boxes a year. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I do post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and the month of December I will be posting an extra video a week because I will be doing weekly vlogmas, so be sure to be subscribed so you don't miss a video from me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!